I think the best way to grow in your software engineering career, right, is different perspectives, always being open to those perspectives, try out new things. And I think the more you do it, the easier it becomes. From my personal perspective, and I've seen it in a lot of other like developers later on, is if somebody has been coding in, let's say, Java their entire life, right? If you throw them into Dart or into TypeScript, they're going to hate it, and they're going to look
Yeah.
for the same ways of doing the same thing before. And maybe that struggle will last for a while, but eventually they'll start to learn from the new thing and do idiomatic things in that new language. And it'll actually enrich their own programming style in the long run. But it is hard in the beginning if you are just used to doing things, or you love, let's say, I don't know, Kotlin, right? I love Kotlin. Even to this day, I love Kotlin. But I'm never going to go and say like I'm only going to code in Kotlin, right? It depends on, maybe it's a systems piece of software and I need to pick up Rust for it or Go for it, and so be it, right? The more you transition through these languages and processes, the faster you get at doing that,
Yeah,
right? And I'm sure
absolutely.
right now, when you said you're going to go pick up Clojure or I'm going to go pick up Elixir, I have a confidence that like within about 3-4 days, I can be reasonably good in Elixir or Closer, even if I've never been exposed to like that style of programming before. And that is only because I've tried it so many times before